April 5th. It is currently, hold up, we gotta start over because I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the screen. But it's April 5th and we are about to go bowling, period. So I'm about to get ready. I look good as hell. Look at that. Oh, I look damn good. I ain't lost it or whatever Beyonce said. But yeah, y'all, I just want to check in with y'all before I got my night started, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I put on once I get dressed. So bye. All right, y'all, so it's currently 9:30. We're supposed to be there for 9:30 and just get in the car. You tell me how they go. But yeah,
who fought it?
This is definitely yours. Let me make sure my wallet in here. All right, friends, so we just making it to Hey. So we just making it to All-Star and we about to get us some shoes. We're gonna go from there, okay? Yeah. I'm losing. I got the lowest score. I got 23. Everybody else got at least. I'm losing, period. But we gonna come back, okay? That's what we gonna do. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so what's your name?
I don't know, Gango or something like that.
I know that's right.
Probably heard something like that. Probably been some bad rules, something like that.
That's correct.
Maybe not.
You see the body? Yeah.
Show everybody. Sicker than a city.
What's your name? Huh? Give me a name. Shaky. Shaky? Alright, Shaky. How long you been? How long you been working out with 4 to 5 weeks. Okay.
Yeah,
But what you think?
I love it.
Rate it from out of 10.
The best.
Alright, come on, okay. Come on, it's your turn.
Me, I've been working out with him about 2 years.
Oh, okay.
On and off, off and on.
Cousin. What you got to say? Hey, cousin. Yes, correct.
I started a month ago. Due to you. Was a little nervous. And that's my cousin.
Period.
My cousin.
All right, MJ.
Yeah.
For the vlog, what you got to say?
Love a team. It's not my team. It's getting their ass. That's all I got to say.
Let's look at the score. Okay, never mind. Where you at? 26. I'm gonna catch up. Thank you. What you say? Ain't nobody come in the bowl. You heard that? She said ain't nobody come in the bowl.
Say what?
You
can't drink, huh?
Come on, let me get you. What you got? I got a spare. You missed it. Let me know next time. You fine. I'm sorry. Next time.
You buy some, don't bring my camera.
I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about MJ.
Right through.
Let me see. Hold up. Okay. I can't get a price for nothing. No, I'm not gonna say for it though. I done lost, y'all. I got 40 points. Who is? Oh, Ree. Okay, Ree got 48. I don't feel too bad.
My cousin enjoying our new family.
Period. All right. my mama's house. I came here to pick up my son, but he sleeps, so I just decided that I'm gonna sleep here too because I stayed 30 minutes from my mama's house and I'm tired. So I'm about to wrap it up, get ready for bed. She don't have no makeup wipes here. My hair looks great, but yeah, I just had to come and let y'all know, you know, what was going on. Excuse me if I keep looking at this camera and this camera. I am a little tipsy. Tonight was definitely a 10 out of 10. If you are in a Baton Rouge area, please get with Gang Guy Fitness on Instagram and Sweat with MJ because they are literally the best in town. Y'all gotta see my body, okay? Okay, yeah. But I'm about to go ahead and get ready for bed, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Alright, y'all, so it is Saturday, April 6th. It is currently 12:02 and I'm headed to Jackson, Mississippi because I am the dance coach at my old high school and they're like this camp this weekend. I missed last night because I got off late, but I am headed there today. The next event is at 3:30, I think he said. So I'm gonna make it over around 2:27. It's a 2-hour, 30-minute drive. And I'm just getting on the bridge, y'all. But yeah, last night was so much fun, y'all. I'm so happy that I did decide to go. But I'm about to head to Mississippi. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I just dropped. People cannot drive. People cannot drive. People cannot drive. But I just dropped Sky off at his mama, and look, they're about to have a wreck, dummies. Why am I driving for y'all and I'm in my own car? Yeah, okay, y'all. Let me get up off this this camera and pay attention. I'm about to have my little praise and worship session on my way there because one thing about it, God is amazing, and I mean it with everything in me, y'all. Yeah, like I don't know what to say. Yeah, God is really good, y'all, and I'm so blessed and highly favored, and I thank Him for literally everything, y'all. But we're not about to turn this into a testimonial, but just know that God is good. And I pray that everybody that's watching this has a blessed day. And just this blessed period, y'all. But I'll get back with y'all later. I'm about to pay attention to this road. Bye. Alright, y'all. So I guess I made it to Mississippi because I see the Mississippi Welcome Center over here. I didn't have a sign that said like Welcome to Mississippi or anything, but I guess I made it. Let me show y'all.
This is how I'm thinking about doing it.
So yeah, I guess I'm in Mississippi, y'all. I'm gonna look at the picture frame. But yeah, but I am an hour and 14 minutes away. Say about 90 miles until I make it to the university, y'all. So I'll be back. All right, y'all. I went to the school, but I thought the stadium was at the same place as the school, but it was like 11 minutes away. It took me downtown. But I just stopped to a gas station and got some cash. I'm gonna leave my camera in the car because I just don't want to have to carry all of this. I'm gonna just record on my phone while I'm out there. So I am in line to park now. You got like a little, the way to park. It's in line, so it's a wait, but I made it, y'all. The drive wasn't bad, so yeah. All right, y'all. So it's 4:40. We just got out of the scrimmage. I didn't know it was a scrimmage, y'all, but it was a scrimmage. We left at the beginning. We left during the third quarter, but everything was really nice. I did get some footage on my camera of the girls dancing and a band. But y'all, I'm hot. We about to go eat at Golden Corral. I'm really hungry. Ooh. Thank you, Jesus. Today, it was really nice, though. I really wish I could have made it the whole weekend, but it's not. But it was nice, though. I'm ready to go eat. Since y'all want to be on a video so bad.
Hi. Hey, y'all. We the dance team. I'm just her pookie. Y'all, before I close this door, who got the key?
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna take me a bath, y'all. It's been a not really a long day, but it's been a day. And the lighting was good in here, so I said, let me just come in here and make me a little video, you know. My hair is really itchy though, so I do need some oil. But I'm about to take a bath, and me and the girls probably about to have a little movie night. They acting like they're hungry, even though we just left Golden Corral an hour ago. Probably going on 2 hours, but still, y'all hungry already stinks. But yeah, I love my hair. Let me see. Yeah, y'all. Alright, I'm about to take a bath. This might be my last video for tonight, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Alright, y'all, so I just got the shower. About to do a little lay down. It's so hot in here. I'm probably about to put a little movie on. But OOTD, we got a pajama set from Target. Shoes from Elise. Body from... Yeah, y'all see it. So, yeah. I think we're about to have a little movie night because, I mean, nothing else to do. I guess I'm gonna go into my Netflix, but actually, I don't know. I need a little snack. They got a vending machine? Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. So it is April 7th, Sunday, April 7th. It's like 9:20, I think. And I'm just about to go check on the girls. I just got dressed because we leave it out at 10 o'clock.
Hey, y'all. Oh, you vlogging? Hey, vlog. Hey, vlog. So, I'm her bookie or whatever. But, look at him. Look at Kay.
Hey y'all.
Ooh. We in the vlog. Say hey to Shayla vlog.
I want to be in just.
Say hey to the vlog. Hey, y'all. Say hey to the vlog. Hey, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I stole her camera. You want your camera back?
Yeah.
Don't follow me.
I'm a little camera shy.
Camera shy?
Just a little bit. That's why I was like, stop looking at camera.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it back into Louisiana. It is currently 10:55. We got on the road probably like an hour ago. I never knew it had a little welcome center right here, because I know they don't have one like when you go to Texas. Can you see it? Welcome to Louisiana. But yeah.
The Lord is my shield and my fortress. I fear no one.
Alright, y'all, y'all wondering why we stopped and side the road. It's because my back tire just blew out. We were 40 minutes away from home. So we are like in Baton Rouge, Denham Springs area, which is good. But everybody's okay though, still asleep. Like nothing's going on. But yeah. I'm grateful that it didn't happen when we was in Mississippi though. So thank God for that. And thank God that I was able to notice that like the tire was making a weird noise and I was able to start slowing down, because I was on 70. I was on like 72, I think. And I was able to start slowing down and then just like get over. And then as I was getting over, the tire popped because I heard it go. It was like the car went like that. So it's my third blowout on this Honda, y'all. I had this car for 3 years. I had a blowout last year. I had a blowout in 2022, and I just had another one. Something has got to shake, y'all. But the good thing is I have tire and wheel warranty, so I'll just be able to bring the car to the dealership and they go replace my tire. And that's good too, because I'm going to that gospel concert in New Orleans on Tuesday. But yeah, y'all, I don't need to start recording for all my storage be going, and I can't keep y'all updated because the camera is indeed dead. So, all right, y'all, I'm finally made it home. We have Sky right here. So I am so sleepy, y'all, so sleepy. But to keep from going to bed, I'm gonna just come take me a little walk. We decided to take us a walk. But we about to be turning around soon, y'all.
Mom, you can turn around over there and this way.
Okay. Y'all heard that? We're gonna turn around over here this way.
With the phone. Go back around.
I thought I saw something, but alright, y'all. So I just got the shower. Sky just took his bath for the night. It's only like 6 o'clock, I think. Oh, it's 5:52. It's 5:52. But y'all, I really been moving around all weekend. Y'all know already. I done vlogged everything for y'all. This about to be my first vlog on my YouTube channel. Look at him. Look at his room. Huh?
You open my slime.
And he don't forget shit. I told him I was gonna open his slime when he got out the shower. When I got out the shower and guess what? Y'all heard him. I'm about to open this slime. I'm about to basically get our stuff ready for tomorrow because, yeah. Gotta be work for 5:45. And he does not have school tomorrow because of this eclipse. So not only do I have to be to work for 5:45, I have to bring him to my mama's house before work, which is 30 minutes away. What, babe? I don't know if we have any. Alright, y'all. This is probably about to be it for the night. I'm about to sit down and pull some clothes. I gotta eat. I'm probably gonna try to start editing this vlog, and that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the weekend with me, and I will see y'all. Well, babe, I will see y'all next time. But yeah, all right, y'all have a good day.